The question says over here a parallel plate capacitor whose capacitance is 14 picofarad is charged by battery to a potential difference of 12 volts between its place. The charging battery is now disconnected and a porcelain plate with K is equal to 7 is inserted between the plates. Then the plate would oscillate back and forth between the plates with a constant mechanical energy of. So what we have to do is conserve the energy. That is, initial energy which is stored in the capacitor is half CV square, which is equal to half into 14 into 12 square, which is equal to 1008. Now this will be in picojoules since the capacitance is in picofarad. So we have the initial energy stored in the capacitor. Now the final energy will be equal to the energy discharged plus the mechanical energy. So therefore we have final energy stored in the capacitor to be equal to Q square upon 2 Kc. Now Q is equal to CV. So we have Q's value to be equal to 14 into 12 whole square upon 2 into Kc, which is 2 into 7 into 14, which is equal to 144 picojoules. Now we have initial energy and final energy. So this initial energy will be equal to final energy plus the mechanical energy that is required. So therefore the mechanical energy will be equal to initial minus final, which is equal to 1008 minus 144, which is equal to 864 picojoules.